Allis chambers, G tractor. I've got the head back on, and I'm just torquing it down now, as you can see here. And I went in sequence so I don't warp the head. So the head is back on, and we'll see what happens. Just a little video of what I'm doing here. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna see if the motor turns over now here. Yep, still nicely turns over. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is put the spark plug wires on. I gotta get the electricals hooked up on this thing. So stay tuned. I got 2 of them here. They need work. I know I can get them going. So that's it for now, everybody. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna quit. Thought I'd just do a quick video for everybody to see this. By the way, does anybody know where I can get a starter for this machine? Please send me a comments. Let me know. Anyway, if you have an idea. I have one on this machine right here, but I need one. I need a starter for this machine, and I don't feel like hand cranking this thing to start it up. So yes, if you have a starter you'd like to sell me, or know anybody that has one, please send me a comment. I'd like to know, because I'm looking for one. All right, everybody, so that's it for now with the G tractors here. I'm excited to get these going. I sure could use them on the farm. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, please like, share, and subscribe. Stop by again. Bye for now.